Hi guys, welcome to my channel Style with Crochet. Today I am going to tell you how to make this beautiful and attractive stole. So let's start. First of all, make basic chains and then start. Skip one chain and into the next make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip one chain and into the next make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip one chain into the next make a single crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the fifth, make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip one chain. Into the next, make a single crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 4 chains. Into the next make a single crochet. Chain 3. Skip one chain. Into the next make a single crochet. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the fifth make a single crochet. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Into the next make a single crochet. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the fifth make a single crochet. Chain 3. Skip one chain. Into the next make a single crochet. Chain 1. Into the next, skip one chain and into the next make a single crochet. Chain 1. Turn the pattern. Chain 2 and make a single crochet into the small loop. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And make a single crochet into the same loop. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make a single crochet into the same loop. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And single crochet into the same loop. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this small loop make a single crochet. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet into the small loop. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And single crochet into the same loop. Chain 3. Single crochet into the same loop. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet into the small loop. Chain 3. Single crochet into the same loop. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And single crochet into the same loop. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet into the same loop. Chain 1. And into the last loop make a single crochet. Turn the pattern. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the big loop, make a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet again into the same loop. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the big loop, make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Again single crochet into the same loop. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the big loop, make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet again into the same loop. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the big loop, make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Again single crochet into the same loop. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the big loop, make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet into the same loop. Chain 1 and thread over the hook 2 times. And make triple crochet. Chain 1. Into the first chain, make a single crochet. Chain 1. Into the small loop, make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make single crochet into the same loop. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet into the same loop. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and again single crochet into the same loop. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the small loop, make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet again into the same loop. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again single crochet into the same loop. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet into the same loop. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the small loop, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make chain 1, chain 1, turn the pattern and make single crochet into the starting chain. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again into the big loop, make a single crochet and then chain 3, single crochet into the same loop. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet into the big loop and repeat same pattern. So guys, that then will look like this. I hope you will like this and try this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.